Alright, so in today's video we're going to go on to Jarvis and learn how to order sales kits or enrollment kits from United Healthcare. So here we're going to sign on with our One Healthcare ID. I'm going to blur mine out, but you guys need to put in your own. I'm going to sign in. Alright, and then what we're going to do is we're going to head over. Oh, here, look, they got this over here. Okay, so sales materials portal. Yep, that's where we're going. Sales materials portal is under sales and marketing. There it is. And we're gonna head over to here, order materials. Now this is kind of I guess this is the hiccup part. You have to make sure you're actually certified to sell all these things. And for me, I always get that. So I always have to go back, click it again, close out the old one, and sometimes it'll load for me. I don't know why I get cash back from Rakuten, but this is what you need to go to, and you have to select the states that you want. Let's say you want to go to Hawaii. You want to select the correct counties. You also want to make sure you select the right years. 2023. Language is English. You also want to make sure that you do the enrollment guide. And if you select the plan code, what that'll do is if you know the plan code, then you can of course select only the plan code you want. But if you just wanted to, if you knew which one you want from here, you can just say, okay, this is the choice plan 1. I want 25. Choice plan 2. 25. This is their Patriot plan. You want 25. And notice you can't download them. So that's because they're not available just yet to download. But if you order it now, it will be available to be printed and delivered hopefully to you before AEP begins. Now next we're gonna have to add them to the cart here. It'll show them item added successfully, and oops, order beyond limit. So let's go check. It looks like I can only do 100, so I actually pressed 2 of these. So I'm gonna adjust this one to just 25, and I'm gonna put these to, I'm not gonna add those because I already did. I'm gonna add that one to the cart, and I can see here I have 100 items at 25 of each of the 4 Medicare Advantage Part C plans. That looks like the limit, so let's go ahead and go to my cart. And I want them all, 25%, not 25%, 25 of each. All right. Okay, cannot change. I'm going to proceed to the checkout. Now it's going to ask for your shipping address. If you don't have one, you have to add. All right, so all my stuff's there. So let's go ahead and add the address. All right, so once the address is added, you head over to complete order. And boom, it shows you it's going to be done. It's going to be sent. And you should get an email. Now, if there's anything else you guys want to find out, want to learn about your any of your Medicare carriers or anything like that, you do let me know. I'll be more than happy to do my best to help. You guys have a great rest of the day. Bye-bye now.